Hello, this is Steven. This is our factory. You see, Yuxi machine. Yeah, Zhengzhou. Yeah, this is our factory door. Okay. Later I will show you our workshop. Okay. And now let's see this my right direction. Okay. This is our 4,000 square meters workshop. Yeah. And that one. Okay, in the middle is our office building, yeah, and this left one workshop also is our factory. It is 3,000 square meter, yeah. Okay, now follow with me. Let's go to the first workshop firstly. Okay, let's go. Now you can see this is our whole workshop. Okay, this is the right side. Okay, that is right. Big machine. That is our sand. Sand separation. Okay, and in this is the middle. Okay, let's see this one. This one is the shredder. Okay, very big. Now look, it's very long. Okay, it's about 11 meters. Okay, you see this height. Okay, so 3 meters. Yeah. Now you see this one. This is roller. Okay, roller. 2 peak out. Yeah, 2 peak out is size. The 50 millimeters. Okay. Down. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to. Okay, this is another. See, here is for the brick machine. Yeah. This is now we only do for the our reseller and also government projects. They will ask us to do it. We will make it, but generally we don't sell it by ourselves. Okay. Now let's go to the other workshop. Okay, now you see worker is still in working. Yeah, now here let's go to see my right side. Okay, here the first, this is blade. Okay, is in the machine part blade, different type. And here you see this is the motor. Okay, it is made in China. Okay, if you have the Siemens, you can. And here, you see, this is the new cutter. Yeah, the blade. And here is the shredder. You see, different, different long, different capacity. Here you see the reducer. It is very expensive. Very. Without this reducer, you can see very big. Getting used in that one, you see, that worker is still in welding the machine structure. Yeah, you can see this is another very big shredder. Okay. You see, also very long, and this is for the the whole car. Yeah, we put in the fully car into the shredder. Okay, and another reducer and the motor, another motor. You see, very big. Okay, and here you see this one. Okay, this is the blade. Okay. Have already assembled. Yeah, this one we put in. Okay, Okay. And later. Okay, later we will show you. This is the second crusher to make, the material more smaller. Okay. In here, still we just show you 2 motors.